My disability, I was born with it. The disability is a clubfoot, which made it very difficult to take part in sports. Then I started training athletics. I competed in the Beijing Paralympics. I talked to a lot of surgeons. All of them said, listen, don't do anything right now, just stop doing sports, you know. For me it's very difficult because I love sport, and especially running. Or else I will have to remove my leg one day. I said, best I do it now, when I am still young and I can still run. I underwent a lot of surgeries. This left me with deformity in my foot. I was still 14 years old, and despite having a disability in my foot, I came third in my class, 50-meter race, and I kept on competing with people without disabilities till the around age of 17. Then I learned that there are the Paralympics. There I got to meet some of my favorite athletes. At that time, one of my heroes was Oscar Pistorius, and I got to race against him, next to him, next to the lane.
Kim, Cameroon, Flores, Pistorius, Bausch. That time away cleanly. Pistorius a little slow with Flores on the inside, the better of him, and on the outside, Jerome Singleton running strongly, but now comes Pistorius. What a blistering second half of the 100. He wins in 11.17 with Singleton second, and it's close for third between Bausch.
It wasn't easy because you know, it's a hard decision. I try to live like that every day. If something happens, you try not to let it control you. It doesn't matter what the problem is. For me, it was my leg, the pain. You know, surgeons and doctors didn't want to do anything about it. But I said, listen, I'm not going to give up in life, and I'm going to keep working hard at whatever I do. It was very important. I've graduated as a podiatrist since 2017. In Malta, I am the only podiatrist with only one foot. So running for me signifies freedom. You know, running is something which you are doing on your own. No one is helping you. Whether you are running fast or you are running slow or whatever speed you are running, you are currently free. No one is stopping you from doing anything. It's just you against the ground.